How to remove autopay on Google Pay. So guys, if you have any subscriptions that you've set up, for example, some certain services that you subscribe to, and you wish to stop those payments to go through every single month, that's actually not that hard to fix. So in order to do this, as you can see, we have this little help page. And as you can see, you can manage your recurring payments and subscriptions right over here in the subscriptions tab. So you go here, and whatever you have, for example, subscribed. For example, as you can see, I've had Nitro for Discord subscribed to some time ago, and I successfully cancelled, as you can see, this service. And pretty much you do it the same way. So you can just go edit right here, and there's going to be a button to pretty much disable the recurring payments, and so that the next billing period that you have, say today we have the 6th of February, and say you have the next payment at 7th, which is tomorrow, right? You can just disable it, and here just press a button, confirm, and you won't be charged again. So once again, you go to the payment center, or you can just also go into your Play Store. Okay, you go here, then you go to your settings in here in the profile, you go into payments and subscriptions, and in here you will have all of your subscriptions that are currently active, and you can just disable them here. So that's how you do this. Hopefully this helps you out. If it did indeed, make sure to like and subscribe. This helps us a ton, and of course, thank you for watching.